students, how are you? Welcome to part 2 of lesson 1. We have here how to distribute here again 3x. Okay, in this example, 3x, distributed by this uh, this expression x plus 5. So 3x multiply x gives you what? X multiply x gives me x to the power 2. Again, when I multiply x, x here is to the power 1 and the other one to the power 1. The empty we put just 1. Okay, when I multiply here the powers, remember I add them. Multiply the powers, add them, guys. Okay, so it gives me x to the power 2. And I told you in the previous video, y power 2 divided y power 1 gives me what? Y power 2 minus 1, it's just y power 1, which is just y. Okay, keep it easy as this. So 3x to the power 2, the first one, 3x to the power 2. When I multiply 3x, multiply x. Then 3x multiply 5 equal 3 multiply 5 equal, yes, 15. 15 what? 15x. This is what? Distribute. If he asks me to distribute. What about if he asks me now to do something else, which is factor? Factor, we're going to divide. The greatest common here, monomial factorization. Okay, out of the polynomial, divide each term by, okay, let's see how without many expressions here. I have here 3x to the power 2 plus 15x. Very easily how to do it. I'm going to divide. Okay, let's see together here the common. What's the common here? 3 and 15. Between them, what's the common? Of course, they are divisible both by number 3 and number 15. Divisible by, yes, I can hear you, by 3. So, I will write 3. What else? I have x to the power 2 and just x. Take the least here. So, it will be x. So, here the greatest here common monomial factor is 3x. Okay, I have 3x here. What should I do? Let's see. Divide, yes, divide the expression 3x plus 15x by 3x, the greatest common monomial factor. It's easy. Yes, it's very easy. So let's do it. Let's change the color now. Okay, like this. So guys, I have 3x to the power 2 divided what? 3x. Let's do it. 3 divided 3 gives me 1. X to the power 2 divided x gives you what? Here x to the power 2 divided x to the power 1. 2 minus 1, 1. So the result will be just x. Bravo. The result will be just x. Okay, when I say 15x divided 3x, 15 divided 3 gives me 5. X divided x gives me, 1. So this will be just 5. Okay, guys, so I have x plus what? X plus 5. So I can write here the factored form, 3x outside and x plus 5 here again. Is it easy? I think it is. Okay, guys, and these are the steps here. Let's see the examples better. Okay, 15x minus 9. Step 1, get the GCMF, greatest common monomial factor. 15 and 9, what's here the common? 15 and 9, they are divisible by 3, so I'll write 3. Okay, guys, I have here also x to the power 2 and I don't have here any x's. So I will take x. No, miss. I'm not going to take the x at all. So I have here just 3. Then the next step, okay, here the question I will say factor. The next step, guys, I will divide here the expression, all the expression by 3. By just 3. 15x, okay, to the power 2 divided 3 minus 9 divided 3. 15 divided 3 gives me 5. X to the power 2 keeps the same. Okay, 9 divided 3 gives me, yes, gives me 3. So it will be 5x minus to the power 2 minus 3, or squared minus 3, all multiplied by 3. Is it easy? I think it is now. This also, I have here some examples. Okay, let's do one and the others will be homework. 28a to the power 3 minus 12a to the power 3. What is this GSMF now? 28 and 12, between they are divisible by, yes, I know, by 2, and they are divisible by what else? By 4. So 4 is greater, right? So take 4, or just make 28 by prime factorization to know the greatest common factor. It's up to you. Okay, guys? So I got 4. A to the power 3 or a to the power 2? What should I choose? A to the power 2, of course. So 4a to the power 2. Then what's the next step, Ms. Dina? I'm going to take the formula or the expression 28a to the power 3 divided by, divided by 4a to the power 2. So the first one, 28 divided 4 gives me, yes, 7. A to the power 3 divided a to the power 2. Guys, a to the power 3 divided a to the power 2, 3 minus 2 gives me 1. So the result will be a to the power 1. It means a. So 7, 7a. Okay, I have another one, which is here. I have here negative 12a to the power 2. Okay, 12 a to divided what? Divided 4a to the power 2. 12 divided 4 gives me, yes, gives me 3. Yes, and this is a to the power 2. A to the power 2 divided a to the power 2 gives me just 1. So the answer will be negative 3 or minus 3. So let's clear and change the font, because I changed the color here. I can't see the color. Okay, by this. So again, please, I want to write it for myself. 12a to the power 2 divided by 4a to the power 2. Is it more clear? I think so. 12 divided 4 gives me 3. A to the power 2 goes with a to the power 2. So it would be 7a minus 3 and 4a to the power 2 outside. Okay, the rest of the two examples, okay, please try to solve it at home by yourself with the steps. Thank you for listening, my dear students.